Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. Today we discuss about how to download, install and configure ivms-4200 software on Windows PC. ivms-4200 Lite is a software application developed by Hikvision for managing their surveillance cameras and devices. To configure ivms-4200 Lite on your PC using an IP domain, you'll need to follow these steps. Download ivms-4200 from official website. Go to the Windows Multilingual website. Download .exe file. After download, double-click on Setup file to run the installer. Click on the Next button. Select the I accept the terms of the license agreement. Click on the Next button. Select the feature you want to install and click on the Next button. Click on the Install button. Click on the Next button. Click on the Finish button. After installation, launch the ivms-4200 Lite application. To configure a device using an IP domain, you need to add the device to your ivms-4200 Lite client. Click on the Maintenance menu. In the Device Maintenance windows, click on the Add button. Select IP domain in adding mode. Enter a name for the device in the nickname field. In the address field, enter your NVR or DVR IP address. Enter the device's port number in the port number field. The default port for Hikvision devices is typically 8000. Enter the device's username and password in the respective field. Ensure you have the correct login credentials for the device. Click on the Add button. Once you have added the device, you can access and configure it from the main screen of ivms-4200 Lite. Simply select the device from the list and click on it to open the live view and configuration options.